Thank you, Rishikesh sir. Honorable stage and one present here, my e-pranam to all of you and welcome all the guests to my Digital India. I am Tanuja Raichura from representing Dhamtari district and Kanker district of state Chhattisgarh, India. I run two common service centers. Common service centers brought many changes in our country. The remarkable things done by CSC is it made government services easier for common man. It moved offices and banks, etc. near every common man. And important remarkable thing is it controlled corruption, as it closed wrong way of government services and open easy and honest way, because in CSC rate list of each service is compulsory. And the most important changes it made is empower the woman. The most remarkable thing this is. And so my topic is women empowerment through digital initiative. And this is a digital empowered woman's logo of my presentation. So first of all, from the behalf of every woman of world, I thanks to all of those who are involved or support women empowerment. Contents of my presentation is pre-education growth that was seen in 13 and 14. It includes urban homemakers and rural women. And then post-education growth that was seen in 2015 and 16. Then statistical study regarding rural and urban women empowerment through mobile and computer. And at last, some unique examples of my CSC. Up to 2013, women were enough aware about the perfect use of mobile, especially the urban women. They saved not only relatives and friends' mobile number, also of grocery, laundries, plumbers, carpenters, homemaid, milkmen, helplines, parlor, and before all of these, their husband. 24-hour remote control on their husband. So these things are not minor. This means the woman is not dependent on her husband or any family members for these contexts which are necessary for home management. In 2014, PMZY, that is Prime Minister Jan Dhan Yojana was introduced, and in this period, not a planned learning was launched for women, but when they come to BC Point to open account, they saw the online account opening and they closed to computer. The distance between the computer and the rural and urban women is decreased. Then they understood the importance of their mobile, because mobile number is mandatory data for account opening. In 2015, National Digital Literacy Mission brought a revolutionary change in women empowerment. Then in 2016, cashless financial literacy is involved with NDLM, and it added some more. Here are some pictures of cashless literacy. You can see more number of women than men. This is of a nursing college. This is of government PG college. And this one is a slum area of my ward. And this one is a village, Shankarda, my neighbor village. And this is from, this picture is of dumb and deaf girls students. And this is of a village of Naxalite belt. The digital means to empower the women are two, mobile and computer. On the basis of this, I categorize the growth in four: empowerment of rural women through mobile, empowerment of urban women through mobile, empowerment of rural women through computer, and empowerment of urban women through computer. And I used the green for rural through mobile, red for urban through mobile, and blue for rural through computer, and pink for urban through computer. And this is graph. In this graph, this is not actual numerical data. In 2013, zero growth are marked in rural women through computer, less than 20% in urban women through computer, 20% in rural women through mobile, and 40% in urban women through mobile. While in 2014, 10% in rural women from computer, through computer, and it is because of the online services, the distance is decreased, and 20% in rural women through mobile, because they still use the mobile of their family members and their husband, 20% in urban women through computer, and 80% in urban women through mobile, because they know, and now they are prompt about the, okay, because they prompt about the messages, government services. Now, some examples of my CSC. This is Purnima, which was construction labor before computer learning. This is still my staff. This is Om Kumari Sahu. She was farming labor before computer learning. This is Rajini Mahar, and she is working and learned computer through NDLM. She is Kusum Sahu, is still working in my center and helps me to educate in NDLM. And before NDLM, she was teaching class in her village, and she is Thameshwari Yadav, working with me. She was also farming labor. And this is Kalabai Sinha. She learned computer NDLM, and after that, he gave training to the women of her village. And this is Govindi Bai. You have seen here picture of her, and she is working with a tablet smartly. This is Jamin Bai. The unique point is that she was totally illiterate before NDLM, and she is a cleaning staff of a private hospital, and she is, you can see, handicapped girl, work with one hand only. These are urban women, which were afraid of computer. Even they have computer of their children in their home before NDLM. And in last, this is my homemate working with computer and using cashless transaction. She is digital literate, and she is my homemate, my Kamwali Bai. And thank you, and happy Holi.